This is my foam plate airplane. And the details of it are the fuselage is nice and aerodynamic. The wings are kind of tilted a little bit up to get like an aerodynamics under it. That's where I put the penny to keep the weight up front going forward. Then the tail with the vertical and the horizontal stabilizers. And overall it's pretty aerodynamic, and I could have used one plate, but I ended up using two. No tape, just a penny on the bottom. Show you how it flies. Here's a tape measure at 12 feet. Prop up the camera. With the toss. So not only went past the 12 feet, it went over here.